Hello guys, welcome back to the Gemini series. It is the episode number 1. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can use AI studios to interact with these models that we discussed in the episode number 0. I mean the introduction for this series, right? So guys, before diving into the video, I'm requesting you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and also put some comments for this video. So guys, in this video, we are going to test top 2 Gemini models. So you can see in the first window, I have selected Gemini 1.5 Pro Experimental 0827. It is at the top second rank. And then coming to this second window, I have selected Flash Experimental 0827. It is at the top 6 or 7th in the leaderboard that I shown you yesterday. So coming to this UI, you can see it is a UI where we can interact with the model directly without any coding. So guys, here you can see you need to select your model. So select 1.5 Pro Experimental 0827. So these are the tokens that it will be shown when we type a message. I'll show you after interacting with the model. It is a temperature. The temperature means like it is going to add randomness to the data. So when you select this JSON mode, it will give you as a JSON mode. So these are the parameters of this model. Like that we have the same parameters for this Gemini Flash also. So what is the motive for this video means, I'm going to test these two models, which one is performing best. So in order to test these models, I have taken these websites. So where I can test with the model. So in the first window, I have taken aptitude problems on trains. So let's try to give this question whether model can able to give the answer or not. Got it? Firstly, I'm going to give it to the Pro. Let me give it to the Flash also. Correct answer is 150. Correct answer is 150. So guys, you can see the correct answer is 150. In the first attempt, it is passed, right? So I'm going to give both 1 points to the two models. So here I'm going to close this window because it has passed. So coming to this, I'm going to take this screenshot. The second test is on data interpretation, table charts. I'm going to give this image here. Image. Now, let me try to give this question and options. So guys, here we are experimenting MMLU. Like in the yesterday video, I discussed about MMLU. MMLU is nothing but giving the question and asking multiple options to select one. So guys, you can see it gave response within 8 seconds. The answer is 36.66 lakhs. Coming to here, you can see it gave within 5 seconds. See, it is faster than Pro. Both gave answers. Let me try to check the answer. Yeah, wow. So guys, you can see it passed here. 36 lakhs. 36.66 lakhs. So here also the both model passed. But here the Flash gave within 5 seconds. Here it gave within 8 seconds. Make a note of it. So let's move on. Verbal ability, sentence formation. Same, I'm gonna give this to the Pro model. So guys, you can see it gave within 1.6 seconds. Order is 42351. Here order is wrong, I think. 45132. Let's see which one is correct. Option B. I want my salary immediately. Option B. 15432. Both models went wrong here. Here also it gave wrong answer. Here also it gave I want my salary immediately. 45132. 15. Okay. Here you can see guys, it gave the same answer. I want my salary immediately. I want my salary immediately. Here also I want my salary immediately. But it gave the wrong options. You can see the answer is correct, but it gave the wrong option. So here it failed. We can directly say it failed because we are giving question and also options to choose one. But here it picked wrong option. Let's move forward. Logical reasoning. So in this I have selected number series. In the number series, yeah, I'm gonna pass this question with options. Answer is 1 by 8. It took 5.5 seconds. Let me give it to the flash. Answer is 1 by 8, 1 by 8. Let me try it out. Yeah, people are telling answer is 1 by 8. So here it passed. Out of 4, 3 passed, 1 failed. So here we are going to try with the verbal reasoning. In the verbal reasoning, I have taken logical sequence of words. Yeah. Let me copy this question. Order is 13245. 13245. Okay, here it correct. 13245. Okay guys. Here also for the logical reasoning it passed. Only for the verbal ability it failed. Let me try with the non-verbal reasoning. So guys, you can see here we are going to test with the non-verbal reasoning. It is the 6th test that we are doing to the model. Let me put an image directly. So here I took a screenshot for this. So I'll give it to the model directly. Whether it can give or not, let me try. Answer is 1. Here answer is 5. Option C. They are telling option C is the right one. 3. Yeah. So guys, you can see it failed here. Here it picked up option number E, and here it picked up option number. Answer is 1. It's also wrong. So out of 6, it failed in the 2, verbal ability and non-verbal reasoning. So not a bad model, but it's performing better. So in this, both two models, which is performing best? The Flash is performing best because it is giving faster response with accuracy, high accuracy. It is also giving the response with accuracy, but it is taking some time. So here it wins. So here the Flash model wins according to my testing. Okay. Now let's try with the JSON mode. Give me the details of Gemini. Yeah. So guys, you can see it is giving the output as a JSON format. It is known as JSON mode. So we have already tested with the JSON, and you can see it is giving the answer in the JSON format. So I'll ask a model to give a program. Give a even, odd Python program. So guys, you can see it is giving the JSON format, but I don't want this format. I'll ask model again. Yeah, you can see it gave this program. I just wanted to copy this program. I want to on this code execution. So guys, you can see it is automatically executing the, it is taking some numbers. 10 is even number and 7 is of course odd number. It is trying to explain us like what is happening here, right? I mean how the code is calculating whether it is even or odd. It is explained everything. Got it? It is about the code execution. So like that we have few more parameters. It is output context. So guys, you can see these are the tokens that they are giving us to use. I have used already these many tokens. Output is nothing but whatever the text you will give only this output. I mean maximum. Let me explain the output length. For example, input you have given 10k tokens, but here you have taken output as 8k tokens. So you will get the output as 8k. It won't cross the 8k. It will always less than 8k only. Got it? So guys, coming to this Pro model, it is also working better, I can say. So guys, listen to me. In the leaderboards, this model came at the 2nd rank, right? This came at the 6th or 7th rank. I'm not sure about that. But with my testing, I can say both are performing well, but here it is giving the faster response. Got it? So these both models are best models. I can see coming to the free, they have increased late limit error. So we can try with more tokens. Coming to the ChatGPT, they are giving only the limited tokens, but here we can try with more number of tokens. So it is a UI. I'm going to give link of this AI Studio in the description below, and as well I'll give you this link also. You can try with your own, because if you are a student, so guys, if you are a student, if you want to crack any job, at the starting they'll conduct aptitude exam, so you can directly trust this model and then give it image, give the questions to this model and then try it out. Because nowadays no one is learning about aptitude and reasoning. Even I'm not perfect in aptitude and reasoning, but I can code well. So for this you can cheat directly. It's not a problem, guys. So many people are doing this. You can directly use this model, because nowadays no one will use the coding much, because the era of generative AI is coming up. So if you want to write a program, so why to stress more? You can directly give it to the model, you'll get a code and then modify according to your need. That's it, right? Don't take too much stress about the aptitude and reasoning. Got it? Just focus on your skills, how to enhance your skills and logical thinking. Not this logical thinking. Like for example, in your company, someone is going to build a product. So think how you can help to that product, right? Don't take too much stress on this. Got it? Yeah. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video with a new real-time project. Got it? It is only the introduction about this model. It is the AI Studio they are giving to interact with the models. But in the next video, I'll show you how you can interact with the model with an API key and with the coding as well. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video. Please write your thoughts in the comments. So guys, and also if you can give me any suggestions, please comment it down. I'll try to see it. Okay? Bye for now.